Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving Leetcode problem number 185. The title is Department Top 3 Salaries. So first we will go over the description what they have provided. Like we have two tables, employee table and other one is department table. In the employee table we have four columns, ID, name, salary and department ID. So this department ID is the foreign key we have in employee table for this department table. And in this department table, we have two columns, ID and name, ID being the primary key in both the tables. So, brief description they have provided over here. A company's executives are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's department. A high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salaries for the department. Okay, so we need to find a high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salaries for that department. All right. And result can be in any order. It can be in ascending order, descending order. And let's just quickly go over this example. So here we have employee table, four columns, ID, name, salary, and department ID. Okay. And all right, this is what we have, and this is the department ID, and this is the department table. Like we have two department, IT and sales, one, two. All these employees belong to these two departments. Okay, in the output, if we see, we have four of IT, maybe like two are repeating. So if you see the highest maximum is IT max. So IT max one is the department ID for the IT department, and he is earning 90,000. So this will be at the top definitely. Let's quickly check what's the second one for one department ID. So this 85,000, and similarly we have 85,000 for Joe and Randy as well. So 85,000 twice it's repeating. So we need to take both of them into consideration since it is the salary is same for both the employees. So these two again. And who is earning the third highest is a Will. This is the 70,000. All right. In a similar way for sales department, we have here, like if you see, we have only two, Henry and Sam. That's why we are taking both of them into consideration. But since this is just an example, we have only seven rows. Into large table, we might have thousand number of records, so there we need to check. All right. All right. Let's just quickly go with the solution now. I'll start writing. Okay. Let's select from the department. Okay, department name. Okay, D dot name and department, comma, and then we want employee name. Employee name will come from employee table. Hence, E dot name from employee, and then we have third one is salary. Salary will also come from the employee table. So in a similar way, E dot salary from employee. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's not a from, okay. It's as since we are just aliasing for now as employee and E dot salary as uh salary. All right. From now, okay. So what I'll be doing is since we need these from the both the tables, so from department D, comma, employee E. Now, so this is like for whatever what we have done so far is we have kind of formatted this output in this format wherein we need the department name, employee name, and the salary of those employees. Now, in the where condition, we will be writing a certain conditions based on which it will fetch the required output for us, required data that we need. So first thing is that salaries should be distinct that we need to check. And then salary should be greater than the employee salary. So those conditions we will be take care. And also we need to take care, like we need to find only three, less than three count, right? So it should be less than three only wherein top three earners we need to check. So in the where condition again, like this is the nested query, like subquery we will be writing. Select count of distinct salary, all right, from employee where salary is greater than employee salary and um, the thing is we will be using department ID is equal to d dot id, right? Yeah, and we have this one, and it should be less than 3. And in the where condition only, we will be using another condition outside this bracket. Employee dot department ID is equal to department dot department ID. All right. Now, since we're using both the tables, this is good. Let's check the output, what we are getting so far for this one. Sorry, distance spelling. Select it. Name. Mhm. Solution is accepted. Let me try submitting this. All right. Yeah, our solution is accepted. All right. So we'll just quickly go over this query again. So what we are doing in the sub query actually, here we are checking the distinct salary from the employee table. We're taking the count of those. Since we need to filter only the top three, right? So we are kind of checking the salary from the of these whatever in the inner query we have should be greater than the employee salary that we are getting from the outside query. And since we are joining these two based on the department ID and the employee, like the foreign key that we have in the employee table, and in a similar way we have used this less than 3 in the outer query, and we are again outside the nested query we are joining the department ID and the employee ID and the department ID in the employee table and the department table. So this is our final solution that we have. All right. Please, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you.